Big shout out to our newest subscriber. Welcome to the channel. Want to know what's really going on under your hood? These diagnostic tools will tell you everything. Let's check it out. Universal OBD II Scanner.
Your vehicle is your trusted steed, letting you handle issues head-on. Keep the Ansel AD310 OBD II Scanner in your glove box, ready for action. This rugged plug-and-play diagnostics tool delivers quick engine insights and clears dashboard codes. The Ansel AD310 is made for every road warrior who rides with confidence.
Bluetooth OBD II Scanner for car.
One more thing, get fixed. She can keep track of the maintenance, the overall health of her vehicle with Fixed and this app. Tap on the maintenance tab at the bottom and she can put the tread of each of her tires, even measure the power of her battery. But that's not all. What if she doesn't know what battery is best? We've got you covered with helpful articles, videos, and so much more to help teach her all about batteries.
It's time to talk about these bad boys.
Bluetooth Pro OBD II Scan tool for iPhone and Android.
Because it turns your smartphone or tablet into a powerful yet affordable professional OBD II scan tool that lets you scan and understand your vehicles. Blue Driver is the tool professionals use to save time and money. When you scan your vehicle with Blue Driver, not only will you get the trouble codes, but you'll get a list of all the possible causes and reported fixes. Blue Driver is simple to use. Just purchase the Blue Driver sensor, download the free app, plug the sensor into your OBD2 port, and pair it with your device via Bluetooth. That's it. You've got everything you need, and there's nothing extra to buy, ever. See how easy it is to scan and read the trouble codes? Then when the issue is fixed, use Blue Driver to turn the check engine light off. With Blue Driver, you can view live data of your vehicle's engine, charging and cooling systems. Check to see if you'll pass the smog check. You can also perform enhanced diagnostics and read and clear airbag, transmission, ABS, and other module codes.
Battery tester for car. Multimeter.
View of this Klein Tools multimeter. My favorite part about this is how these leads clip into the back. It makes it nice and easy to keep it all kind of organized in a small form factor. Let's unwrap these and I'll show you guys the different modes and another cool feature. So it's got your standard DC and AC voltage measurements, nice audible beeps. You can also check resistance and current. So it's got all the major options you need. Now, my next favorite feature is that these probes are by standard covered, but you can pull these off, and if you need to get contact into somewhere, you can use this version as well, but I personally leave it like this. So check it out, great multimeter.
OBD II Bluetooth Scanner.
The Bluetooth scan tool and vehicle performance monitor that takes the guesswork out of diagnostic code troubleshooting and lets you explore more of your vehicle data. MX Plus turns your iOS or Android device, Windows-based PC, or Kindle Fire into a professional-grade automotive scan tool and vehicle performance monitor. Not only does MX Plus allow you to read and clear trouble codes, it also provides enhanced diagnostics to figure out issues that aren't related to emissions, trip logging, customizable gauges and dashboards, Dropbox support, and much more. MX Plus also supports Ford's medium-speed CAN and GM single-wire CAN networks, so that you have access to more enhanced parameters than any other competitive product. OBD Link MX Plus comes with its own app, but it can be used with dozens of other third-party apps, including Harry's Lap Timer, Torque, Dash Command, and others. Built-in overvoltage protection prevents damage to your vehicle. Advanced security makes unauthorized access impossible. And our battery saver technology enables the most efficient sleep mode so that your battery stays charged. Explore more and guess less with OBD MX Plus.
Automotive smoke machine leak detector. .8-inch TFT handheld digital oscilloscope kit. Eight-piece petrol engine cylinder compression tester kit. ELMconfig 4-scan.
USB 4-scan adapter. The adapter allows you to complete your own diagnostic check and communicate with all the modules that currently exist in your vehicle. It lets you view your vehicle's live data and edit and change settings without having to visit a dealer. There's no more relying on someone else to tell you what the problem is with your vehicle. You can now access the diagnostic information that you need. The device is the most practical adapter for Ford vehicles produced since 1996. It enables you to apply a comprehensive list of modifications on your vehicle using 4-scan, our most recommended software for this tool. Get yours today. Achieve pro-level diagnostics and gain more control over your vehicle.
Hey there! Got a suggestion for my next video? Drop it in the comments. Your ideas drive this channel. See you in the comments.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest video.